morning friends, welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra.
Friends, this Dieffenbachia is overgrown its pot. See the size of the pot and size of the plant. Now today I am planning to repot this Dieffenbachia in this pot. Here the potting mix that I have taken is compost and soil and sand. This is the vegetable pea compost that I have made. This I will add 25%, 25 to 30% or approximately I will take. And this soil already has coco peat in it, so I will not add coco peat. Some sand I will add. Like this. I have already prepared this pot, base of the pot. So I am going to remove this plant from this small pot, and for that we have to tap. See the roots of this plant. This plant is almost root bound. I will remove this cloth. This soil is not enough for this plant. See how healthy roots are. So now if you give a fresh soil mix, it will grow even nicely. In this small pot, it has grown so much. So I'm keeping it in this pot where it will grow very nicely. I have not disturbed the root ball because it is peak of summer and I don't want my plant to go into stress, so I have not, without disturbing the root ball, I have repotted this plant. I will put some more soil and fill this pot. Friends, now this Dieffenbachia plant is ready. See, I have filled this pot. You can see how the stem has grown very thin because the nutrition in that small pot was not sufficient. Here the plant has grown very healthy, but of late the stem was growing very small. So if we don't take care now, this plant will start falling to one side and it will get broken here, this weak stem. So it was high time we repotted this Dieffenbachia. It's a very beautiful indoor plant. It's an oxygen plant. It gives oxygen for 24 hours. That has been proven by NASA that this is an oxygen plant, but it has to be kept away from children and pets as the leaves of this plant are toxic. They have calcium oxalate crystals which are toxic. So keep this plant away from pets and small children, out of reach of pets and small children. That is one main thing. in watering aspect. Water the plant only when the top layer of the soil is dry to touch. If you overwater the plant will go into stress and it will get root rot. So water only when the top layer of the soil, top 1 inch layer of the soil is dry to touch. Then you can give thorough watering so that the water drains out. Give it thorough watering. This plant is a shade loving plant. That means it needs only 2 to 3 hours of indirect sunlight. It thrives very nicely if you keep it in a place where it gets 2 to 3 hours of indirect sunlight. It can't survive in direct sunlight. It can't survive in darkness also. So friends, isn't it a beautiful plant? So friends who have come first time to my channel, I will request them to please subscribe my channel and press the notification button so that they will not miss any videos when I upload them. So friends, if you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Okay friends, bye bye for now. Happy gardening.